porque su novio ella le engañaba, como si nada, ella se preparó, se puso linda, su amiga llamaba, salió de rumba. Hey guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. So for today, I just honestly wanted to sit down, chill with you guys, do my makeup, and just talk, have girl time, or boy time. I love watching these videos all the time, especially when I'm getting ready. So I thought that it'd be kind of cool to just sit down, just like chill, have some iced coffee, and just do my makeup with you guys. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Look, before I start, this is going to be kind of my inspiration. It's a very dark and kind of like chocolatey brown look. This is by, the girl on Instagram is called Stephanie, I think her name is, I'm not sure. She actually goes to UC Davis as well. She's like a super famous makeup person on Instagram, so she doesn't know I exist, but I absolutely love her work. I think that she's awesome, and hopefully she watches my video. So I'm not gonna go ahead and tell you guys every single product that I'm gonna be using, although everything I always list down below in the description bar. So if you want to know what I use for what, check that out. But mainly for the whole eye look, I'm probably just going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and then I'm thinking I want to do glitter. This is the Beauty Creations glitter, and this is the shade Dream Girl. It's just like a really cool glitter. I don't really use glitter, but I'm just feeling, you know, very artsy today. Honestly, I don't think that I'm going to be purchasing the new Jaclyn Hill Vault collection, and the only reason for that is, although they are beautiful colors, they're like a really good price point. I really like the way that they look on pictures and swatches and everything. I just feel like it's been done already, you know what I mean? Like, this palette has a lot of awesome shades, and I have like so many other palettes that have those, like, you know, more neutral and warm shades, and like the greens I don't really wear either way. So I just, for me personally, I don't feel the need to buy the new Vault collection. I don't know if you guys personally watch like other makeup gurus or like makeup influencers, but oh my god, the drama that has been like just like going on lately is freaking insane. Like, it is so extra. There's just so much negativity lately in the beauty community that it's like annoying almost. I mean, a little drama here and there, everybody loves watching that, but seriously, like, I don't even want to watch things anymore. Twitter is just horrible right now. Everybody hates Laura Lee right now. Everybody's making fun of her, which in a way, like, I don't want to call myself a hypocrite, because, you know, I personally just unsubscribed to her a couple days back because of this whole drama. If you guys aren't familiar with it, basically she's just like a beauty guru, got pretty big, or has gotten pretty big lately. She's from Alabama. You know, she does beauty, she does funny stuff here and there. But recently, some, like, I don't know who has the time to bring stuff up, but basically somebody dug through her Twitter account, like way deep in there from like years ago, and found her old tweets that were, you know, very racist, and they had like a lot of racist words, things that were, you know, they're just inappropriate. You shouldn't say them, especially as somebody who is white. And so basically a lot of people were angry at her, and she just like deleted her Twitter account, and then she went on to YouTube, made a 4-minute video basically like fake crying, and I'm not, you know, not gonna feed into the negativity, but I watched it. It seemed pretty fake to me, honestly. Never actually apologizing for doing that, which in a way I don't believe that you know, these or anybody should be necessarily apologizing for something that they said 5 years ago. Although I do understand where people are coming from, and the whole apology is necessary for saying, like, you know, all these offensive things. I just like unsubscribed to her because I just don't really care. I never really cared for her videos. Her makeup was not my style of makeup. And I didn't believe it. I honestly didn't buy into her, you know, 4-minute apology video where there's people like Kim Tai, who recently had the same issue with her, and she made a 28-minute video apologizing. There's so much negativity, and not just, you know, for like the really famous people, but just in general when you're making videos. And this is what a lot of people have talked to me about. A lot of girls that I know, maybe not personally, but I kind of know who they are, have messaged me saying like, hey, I want to start my own YouTube video, like, what advice do you have? You know, I'm really shy and whatnot. And honestly, my advice to you is not to give a crap about anybody, about what anybody thinks. When I started putting myself out there was never really negativity like towards me, really, or directly at me. There was never anybody saying like bad things about me or anything that I know of. But you can tell, you can definitely tell when people, you know, don't agree with what I do, or just for some reason, like, you know, distance themselves from me, which I don't understand why. But then at the same time, you have a lot more people coming up to you and reaching out to you and saying like, oh my god, like, this is so cool, could you do this for me, could you make this video? And I've actually gotten to know a lot more people with this than like have like people, you know, leave my life. This whole YouTube thing, right now for me, it's a hobby. It's something that I really enjoy doing. This is gonna be kind of personal, but doing YouTube videos for me helps me with like anxiety, and whenever I'm feeling stressed about like whatever else, whenever I do a video and I spend the time, you know, not thinking about anything else but like makeup and what eyeshadow I'm gonna use next, and then editing it and making sure it looks good and making sure I'm not saying but too many times, it just like, it helps my brain just like, you know, distract itself from the negativity that may be going on in my life. So that's why I really enjoy making YouTube videos. Is this too dark? I feel like I'm getting a little dark here, but whatever. This is a chit chat video, so I'm just gonna chit chat about my life right now. What's been going on in my life? I have basically a month left before I have to go back to school, which I'm very excited about. Me and my roommate got our apartment together. Hold on, I gotta see what the heck she did, because she used a lot of eyeshadows, I think, for this look. Oh, okay. I think I did too much. Like, I did the most. I didn't even have to fill my eyelid with anything. Okay. I'm just using like a really brown, like a glitter, a dark glitter, and I'm gonna go ahead and then add the actual bronzy glitter on top of that. But I really want this look to be like super dark. I'm just feeling fall vibes lately. I think, honestly, I think that it's just because I'm really excited for Halloween. I don't know why. It used to be like my least favorite holiday, and every year it seems like I'm liking it more and more. Probably just like becoming a lot more negative, and I don't know. But I'm really excited for Halloween. Hopefully I get to go to like a Halloween party or something. That'd be fun. But in college, you never know, you know, those Halloween parties. I think I want to do a kind of like an apartment tour. I'm gonna go ahead and talk to my roommate about that, or if she watches this, hopefully she says yes. Just to kind of show you guys our apartment, what it's gonna look like, just like all of that. So let me know if you guys even want to see that at all. Or okay, my camera just turned off because I'm talking too much. But anyways, I think I'm gonna just do like the middle of my eyes, make it kind of like a halo-y effect. Okay, lastly, I think I'm just gonna do that brown, what was it? The brown eyeliner thing that she had going on. And it wasn't like a winged liner, it was just more of like an eyeliner for your eyes. Okay, with the stuff that I'm just all over the place. I'm sorry if this video is like going back and forth with different topics, but this is just how my brain works. I didn't really plan what I was gonna talk about. But going off of what I was talking about before, about like people like asking me for advice and, you know, YouTube stuff, or just like anything, honestly. If you guys have a question about anything that you guys like want me to just like answer for you guys, you can DM me, you can email me, whatever. I love when girls like ask me for my advice, because I'm like, oh my god, like they want my advice, like me, you know. But I've learned a lot, especially about like YouTube and makeup. I don't just want to film makeup videos and makeup tutorials and stuff. I love filming like, I don't know, like outfit stuff, hauls. I love doing like fitness things. There's a video that I've been, you know, really thinking about doing. It has to do with like something very, very personal in my life, but I've just kind of been holding off on it. But I think that doing a video where I talk about, you know, just like relationship issues and how to like overcome things, how to get over a breakup, stuff like that, it could really help a lot of people. It's just that I've just been kind of hesitant to make a video and sit down and talk about things that are a little bit difficult to talk about. But I'm building up the courage, and hopefully I will be filming that soon. So just let me know, anything. I'm here making videos for you guys. Like, they help me, and I will film videos about whatever the heck I want to film videos on. But you guys are the reason why I keep on doing this, and you guys are really motivating me to, you know, push myself and do a lot more things. So thank you guys for that. And just thank you guys for the freaking support that you guys show me on like my Instagram, on my Twitter, whenever you guys retweet stuff. Like, it's just crazy to me, because I understand that it's just like a simple tweet, like it's not a big deal, but to me it is, because when you guys tweet pictures of me and stuff like that, or retweet pictures, you share it with the people that follow you, and then that way more people get to know who I am, more people get to know or just see, you know, my eye looks and stuff. So it really does help me, and I appreciate all the girls that have, you know, reached out to me and support me constantly. Like, it's just crazy. You guys are awesome. I'm just using these big old lashes, the Goddess Lashes by Coco. I haven't used them in a while, but I just feel like, let me see. Does that look cute? Do you guys like that? They're freaking cool. Cute. See, this is my struggle with putting on big old lashes, is that the lash band is so thick sometimes that they're like really annoying to put on. I know somebody asked me on here to make a video on how to put on eyelashes, and this is kind of it. I put on glue, I wait for them to dry a little bit, get a little bit tacky, and I put them on my eye. A lot of the times I cut them to make them shorter so they fit my eye, like these I cut. And honestly, I don't know how to film a video on how to put on lashes. I think that it's just something that you have to experiment. And I got a sample of the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Bernardo was actually the one who picked out my shade, which I was like, oh my god, like he's not gonna know what my shade is. But he actually literally picked the perfect shade for me. I got 2 shades and both of them are really like, they're like dead on to my skin color, or just like they match my neck really, really well. So I was impressed. Like he knows his makeup, you know? But everybody was talking like really good things about this foundation, so I just wanted to like get a little tester, see what it's looking like, and it's looking like I'm gonna buy that foundation. Honestly, when I first started doing this look through the middle, when I was talking in my head, I was like, I'm not liking this eye look. And then I put the glitter and I put the lashes, and I'm freaking feeling myself. Like I don't have anywhere else to go. I'm just doing a get ready with me to get ready and chill. But I want people to see this look. Dude, she's pretty. Yes. Just do. Ever since I bought my little Cocoa contour thing, I totally forgot about all my other bronzers, like my Hoola, my freaking Anastasia bronzers. All my bronzers I just like forgot about, because this one is so freaking nice. Like, you know, you also gotta contour the nose. If you don't have to contour your nose, like, you're freaking blessed. This is the most annoying part of doing my makeup. Hold on, let me just get a lip pencil. She had like a dark lip in her full face photo video or whatever. So I want to do dark. I want to be like her. Let's see. I haven't used this in so long, but oh my god, never mind. She's sticky. Okay, I'll just do it for the video and then I'm gonna take it off, because this is what people who make videos do. They put shit on for the video and then we take it off. And that's the tea. I mean, it tastes good because it tastes like chocolate. It's just like really sticky. I don't like sticky lip glosses. So yeah, hopefully you guys stuck around for the very end of this super long video. I know that it's going to be super long and super hard to edit because I talk forever. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for constantly supporting me. I didn't say this at the beginning of the video, but here I am, annoying me, telling you guys to please subscribe. If you guys stuck around for this entire video and you guys haven't subscribed, come on. You know you want some of this. Selena supports me. Why can't you? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.